Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an indicator bulb on a BMW 1 Series. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new PY21W amber bulb, which is typically a 12-volt, 21-watt bulb. You might also find a flathead screwdriver or a small coin helpful for accessing certain panels. Always ensure your car is safely parked and the engine is off before starting any work. Now, let's get to the bulb. Begin by opening your car's bonnet to gain access to the rear of the headlight assembly. Look for the indicator bulb holder, which is typically a round, plastic component, often white or black, situated at the back of the light cluster. In some instances, especially for front indicators, you might need to turn your steering wheel to full lock to create more space for access through the wheel arch liner. With the bulb holder located, gently twist it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise. This action will unlock the holder from its housing. Once unlocked, carefully pull the entire assembly straight out. The old bulb is usually a bayonet fitting. Simply push it inward and twist it counterclockwise to release and remove it. Now, take your new bulb, push it into the holder, and twist it clockwise until it feels firmly seated. To finish, carefully reinsert the bulb holder into the headlight assembly, making sure to align any small tabs or keyways correctly. Push it firmly into place, then twist it about 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. If you removed any access panels or covers, put those back now. Finally, turn on your car's ignition and activate the indicator to confirm that your new bulb is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your indicator bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.